Hi guys, welcome to my channel, DR Build.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to install a Kerdi Schluter waterproof membrane, and this is going to allow me to ensure that there's waterproofing, no leakage in this bathroom. So let's get started. The first step is to make sure that the walls are clean and no dust. So I'm using this sponge with water, and this should take care of it. Okay, so now once you put the mud all over and you give the texture, make sure that everything is bonded. So the way that I'm doing it, because I already placed the hole on for the faucet and the shower head, I already measure it, so it should not be an issue. Also, as you can see right here, I have another hole for the handle of the shower. So what you want to do is to make sure that this is even up here, flush with the ceiling. And once it's flush, you can start sticking your membrane on it. Then you take this tool and you can go ahead and make sure that you don't have any bubbles on it. Other than that, you should be all set, and everything should be waterproof. You should not have an issue. So once you plaster to the wall, this is what you want. You want to make sure that both sides, the wall and the membrane, have enough mud. So as you can see, like right here, I'm missing a little bit, but all I have to do is to add a little bit of mud, and everything should be bonded.
It does look like I lose some footage while I was recording this. However, one of the most important things is to make sure that you have a 2-inch overlap in between your waterproof membrane. So the way that you do it is like you cut it and you make sure that you have that overlap, and then on top of that overlap you go ahead and use the Kerdi band. The band goes vertical from the top to the bottom, and once it is set, you can put it with some thin set mortar, and then you let it dry. When you're installing the step for the shower, please make sure that you add enough thin set mortar. That will make sure that it is bonded in both sides and also at the bottom. When you're sealing the edges with the Kerdi band, the same process applies. You need to make sure you have 2 inches on both sides, and also make sure that you use the Kerdi corners that comes with your kit. Another thing that you should do is that when you're adding the drain to it, make sure that you use enough thin set mortar all over the edges of the drain. This is gonna ensure that it is bonded and there's not water leaking where water is not supposed to go. And once you install the drain, make sure that you use a level to make sure that all angles are level. After I let the thing set dry, I conducted a waterproof test, and I'm going to let it sit for over 24 hours to make sure there's no water leaking.
Okay, so it has been 24 hours after I loaded this with water, and as you can see, this corner right here, the red, this corner right here, the red, it's still there, so which means that this is waterproof. So the next step is, well, actually, just take the drain out, and now we know that it drains and everything looks even and waterproof. Yeah, all I have to do is to wait until it dries so I can start tiling. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Thank you.